Leminyaka emibili edlule ibenzima kakhulu kubafundi baka matric bakujabulele kakhulu ukubuyela esikoleni insuku zonke.
My experience hasn't been so well because of most of the times most of the chapters that we would do in class I wouldn't understand because of we are so behind with our lessons.
Bathi ukufunda ngokushintshisana kwenze ukuthi bengenzi kahle ezifundweni zabo.
We did not have enough time to cover a certain topic or go more into detail, and that affected us because we just pushed to go to the other topic to finish the curriculum of the term or of the year. And now since we're back to normal, I think things will work out much more easier for us.
Uthisha Nhloko uthi njengoba bonke abafundi sebebuyele ezikoleni lokhu kuzobasiza kakhulu ukuqedela umsebenzi wesikole osilele emuva.
Having learners on a rotational basis, it has its own advantages and disadvantages. In terms of covering the whole curriculum, it's a slow process because it's 1 week you have the others attending 3 times, the other week are attending 2 times, and then when they rotate like that, teachers are really moving at a slow pace.
Kusenjalo kunzima kakhulu esikoleni esakhiwe ngemjondolo eSelimpopo njengoba bonke abafundi sebebuyele ezikoleni nje kanti baphoqeka ukuba bambondelane lapha. Isigungu esilawula isikole sithi sike salibika lolu daba eMnyangweni wezemfundo sisalinde impendulo.
Re khopetse bona ba department re sanjere ba emetsi salary le tla gona mo malo ba ke le fitlile ka 26 a se ra bera hwetsa ntlhale thito.
eBloemfontein uthisha Nhloko wesikole ithulukhelo usishayele ihlombe isinyathelo soMnyango wezemfundo sokubuyisa bonke abafundi njengoba belahlekelwe umsebenzi omningi ngesikhathi befunda ngokushintshana.
We were not happy with learners from grade 4 to 6 because most of them were banking school due to rotational timetable.
Umnyango wezemfundo uthi kuzolandelwa yonke imigomo yokuvikela ukutheleleka ngeCovid-19 kuzona zonke izikole.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezemfundo uthi zikhona izinselele zibe khona kwezinye izikole njengoba abafundi sebebuyele bonke ezikoleni. Kulezi inselele kukhona ezifana nokugcwala ngokweqile emagunjini okufundela kanye nokwentuleka kweinsiza kufunda. Kepha ke usavakashela izikole ezahlukene kuzabona ukuthi isiphi isixazululo angaqhamuka naso.
We have observed some challenges in the schools where we have been monitoring. We saw that some schools have experienced high numbers of learners who have come through, and there is no space to accommodate them. And now plans are being made to change the timetable to allow for a platooning timetabling, which will ensure that all the learners get to learn on the same day. But also so in other parts of the province, which is where we are in Gauteng, that there are some schools where they do not have enough furniture. They are waiting for the deliveries to take place. So some learners do not have what they need for them to continue with education today.